Ever made a to-do list, checked off 2 tasks, and rewarded yourself with 3 hours of Netflix? We've all been there. Welcome to productive procrastination. But here's the million-dollar question. Why do some juggle multiple side hustles effortlessly while others can't get one off the ground? The secret? It's not more hours or better ideas, it's accountability. Step 1. Set clear, achievable goals. And no, keeping them in your head doesn't count. Write them down using the SMART system. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Trust me, this one habit can make or break your hustle. Next up, master time management. Block off time for your side hustle, even if it's just an hour before work or 30 minutes before bed. And remember, working with YouTube open in the background doesn't count. Now, here's the game changer. Find an accountability partner. Studies show you're 95% more likely to hit your goals with regular check-ins. So get a friend, mentor, or fellow hustler to keep you in check. Use the right tools. Trello, Asana, Notion, to stay on track. Tools like these help you break projects into bite-sized tasks. Imagine if life had a drag-to-done button like Trello. Now it's your turn. Write down your goals, schedule work time, and find someone to keep you accountable. Ready to turn your side hustle into success? Let us know in the comments how you'll get started. Bye.